Autodesk started its business almost 30 years ago making desktop software, evolved into software services hosted in brick and mortar data centers. And approximately 7 years ago, we embarked on our journey to the cloud. We don't think of AWS as a cloud compute company. We think of AWS as a managed services company because of the scope and breadth of managed services they provide. So we think of AWS Support as our virtual infrastructure support team, as if it was just another department or group within Autodesk, because we know we can contact them with no prior notice and get the levels of support we need so that our customers can get the quality of service that we want them to have. AWS Support and all the managed services that they support has provided a transformational effect for our organization because we don't have to think about architecting every foundational service that we need. Very often we can plug into the managed services that AWS offers and save our development teams countless cycles developing something that's already built and ready to use. Has AWS Support made my job easier? Most definitely. There are some incident triage situations that my organization is responsible for that would have been next to impossible to get ourselves out of without some direct intervention on the part of AWS Support. I have yet to have one negative experience. And it's not to say systems don't have issues at times. I mean, it's the way that the world works. And but it's how a company responds and how they deal with things. And to that end, it's always been a positive experience. If you need support for your AWS infrastructure solution, you should give serious consideration to AWS Support. I mean, it's that simple. It almost seems self-evident to me. I would have never predicted the kind of direct personal level of attention. I mean, I'm sure that Autodesk has a fairly robust support agreement, but still, I've had experience with other companies that have had fairly high-level support agreements, never seen that kind of direct personal involvement. The TAMs that we work with from AWS Support are just amazing, very dedicated.